The Europack Summit is actually a great opportunity to meet people. It's one of the summits or one of the conferences that has a very big part of the program dedicated to personal interaction. So people actually meeting with each other, actually discussing the challenges and opportunities that come, with sustainable packaging.
Yeah, I think it was really important for me, to get to know some of how people think about the challenges that we're all faced with, trying to think about packaging and sustainability and how we can kind of work together to tackle the challenge.
You meet up with so many more people from the sponsoring side, but also from your colleague side in other companies. Whether it's from my side, it's Nestlé or Reckitt or Danone or PepsiCo, you name them all, the big ones. You talk to each other, have a cup of coffee, and before you know it, you are talking business, right?
I think the good thing is that also Marcus Events is from time to time changing the focus of the attendees, let's say the way the whole event is put together is the same, but of course the focus of the attendees is a bit changing from, let's say, shifting from maybe non-food to food and maybe backwards. Sometimes it takes place together with a marketing event, so we get another, let's say, spice of people there as well. So I think this makes it actually a very interesting event, because every time you have like kind of a different expectations, and sometimes you get to meet people which you didn't expect to meet, and this sometimes are even the better contact than what you actually hoped for. So this is very interesting. Yeah.